Hey family and friends, welcome back to Her Home Is. Now, before we jump into today's video, let's do a quick recap of where we left off in my Gilded Frost Christmas 2025 series. Last time I kicked things off in the kitchen and the dining room area, taking down my summer and fall curtains and giving the entire space a full pre-Christmas deep clean. I started by decluttering the counters and washing every dish, wiping down my appliances, and making sure my kitchen was almost spotless before bringing in any new decor. Then I moved into my dining space, cleaning my buffets, polishing my mirrors, even adding a few new ones to bring in that reflective glow. From there, it was all about details, vacuuming the floors, dusting the ceiling fan, and getting those hard-to-reach spaces clean and fresh before the holidays. I hung my first set of winter curtains to set the tone, but then switched them out for my Gilded Frost Christmas set. A beautiful mix of silver shimmer and champagne undertones that completely transformed the space. When it was all done, the room looked bright, fresh, and ready for the magic of Christmas. That video was all about creating a clean foundation, a true Christmas reset. And now we're ready to build on that today. So if you missed it, make sure you watch it after this one. And let's keep that holiday transformation going with part 2 of my Gilded Frost Christmas 2025 home series. And now that the kitchen and dining area are clean and ready, it's time to bring the sparkle. Starting with my buffets, flocking trees, and a few new Santas you're going to love. So we're starting off with unboxing my 4 unflocked trees that I thought I'd be using for my Gilded Frost Christmas setup this year. I wanted to test them out and see how they fit in with the new theme. I want to take the time to say thank you, family, for tuning in. And if this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you go over and click a few videos to see if this channel is a good fit for you if you're new. And if it is, and you know somebody that will like the channel as well, please share the channel with them. You guys, we are on the road to our 25K followers. And you guys, we can do it with just one person away. So when you become family, you let somebody else become family, you catch the trend, then we'll be there before you know it. But we are doing things a little unorthodox this year. I've been doing things a little bit different, and it seems to me it even been a little bit backwards. But we're still getting it accomplished. I had my heart set to still use my green trees here for my Gilded Frost theme. It's my intentions, you guys, to add some flock on these trees. But you guys, this year, your girl had to throw away 11 trees because my building roof caved in. And I took a lot of damage on my Christmas supplies, along with curtains and more decor. So too, you guys, I do have quite a bit of sponsored content I'm going to be bringing you. If you can do your girl a favor, make sure you do watch that sponsored content, and anything that you see that you need, make sure you click the links. Also share the videos to people that you know that need some of the items that I'm going to be featuring, so they can click on those links as well. But once I got my trees up, something just didn't feel right. You know when you have a vision in your head and it's just not giving you the magic you imagine? Well, that's just how I felt with these trees. So after looking at them for a bit, I decided to switch them out for my snow flock trees. And immediately, and I mean immediately, the room transformed. The white snow against the silver and gold accent brings that gilded frost elegance that I wanted. It also gave me that calm, cozy, and that magical feel. And if you're watching and you haven't become a part of the family, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap it twice. It turns blue. Then you'll know every time that I am uploading a video. And here, I was just going to see if I was going to use the mirror vase, but look at my flock trees, and these two trees does have snow on them, but we're finna move out all of the decor so we can set up and decorate these buffets. If you haven't caught my previous buffet sideboard cadenza styling for Christmas, I'm going to include the links for those down in the description. Make sure you check those out as well. Now, I'm going to let you know too, you guys, we are implementing things the way Teetee want for Christmas. Next, it was time for Teetee to join in on the fun. You may not see it, but she's in and out and all over the video on the side, giving me my tips on how I got to do it and the way I have to do it. So she's the supervisor, and I'm just the employee at this point. But we're decorating the way that she likes, and she always want to know, why do I have to put this fake snow sheet down to decorate? But I told her it's just one thing I do to keep the minimum amount of scratches on the buffet. So we're bringing in my 2 King of Christmas mini trees, and you guys, these are lighted trees. I am pulling off bows and also a set of the lights, because I told you last year I was dealing with the death of my brother, so these trees, I just smashed them in, left the bows, extra lights and everything on them. So I had to take that off this year. If you haven't checked out my pre-Christmas clean declutter video, I will put the link for that down in the description. Make sure after you watch this video, you go back and watch it so you can follow us along this whole entire process of decorating with my theme this year, a Gilded Frost Christmas. Now it's time for Teetee to join in and help me choose which Santas that's going to make the cut this year here on our buffet. I'm going to pull out all 4, then she's going to tell me which 2 that she wants here. And you guys, 2 of these, this one and the next one, they are new purchases, and they did come from Dollar General. They were $28, you guys. These Santas from Dollar General typically runs around $20, but here you see her checking everything out and deciding which 2 she wants. Of course, I had to show you my 2 newest Santas that I just picked up from Dollar General. They're so cute and detailed for such an affordable find. She picked out 2 of my favorites. Well, you guys, let me not lie, they're all my favorite. But she picked out one traditional Santa with the gold pants and the gold shimmer in his coat, and the other with the shimmer, cream, and champagne, and it also have a little bit of silver in his coat as well, and they fit the Gilded Frost palette perfectly. Now let's move on to decorating both buffets. I started by clearing everything off, giving each surface a good wipe down, and then layering in my decor. I placed one mini tree on both sides to bring balance. Then I added in those 2 Santas in the center of each buffet, creating symmetry but keeping it cozy. Next, I'm adding a few of my gold and silver reindeers just to bring in that touch of winter glam. These sparkle beautifully at night when the lights reflect from the mirrors. I also added in my lights. Now the favorite part, you guys, is always when I get to add in the lights. And we cannot forget that fake snow that Teetee absolutely loves. The snow ties the whole Gilded Frost Christmas theme together. It's light, whimsical, and gives that wonderland feeling without overpowering the space. Every year, I try to make it a little more magical, and this moment right here always reminds me why I love decorating for Christmas. Let me know in the comments what or if you are decorating your kitchen and your dining room from Christmas, and if so, let me know what theme you're going for. I told you guys the supervisor's here giving me more instructions. She's in and out, do's and don'ts, and I'm gonna tell you, I like to make her happy if she wants, and she did want more lights. What you didn't see was we did go back and add in more lights for her. I told you guys, I love decorating for Christmas. In my family, they'll tell you Christmas is my thing. I love decorating for Christmas. I always have, and I think I may always will. But I always make sure, even before Teetee came in my home with me, I always make sure that my decor is always kid friendly so that she can enjoy the things that I love as well. So she did give me instructions, and I'm going to let you see. But you guys, make sure that if this inspired you, make sure you do share the channel with your family and friends. Once again, I'm going to be bringing you guys quite a bit of collaborations. Make sure you're watching those sponsored videos for me as well. And always, too, watch my video to the end and share it, comment, and all of that. It does tell the algorithm that you like what you're watching, and they will share it to other people as well. And here's how everything turned out. Both buffets fully styled, my flock trees glowing, and Teetee's favorite snow sprinkled everywhere. This setup truly captures the heart of my Gilded Frost Christmas 2025 theme: frosty elegance, golden warmth, and a little family sparkle. Thank you all so much for joining me again here on Her Home Is. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell so you don't miss the next episode. We're moving deeper into the house and bringing even more luxury Christmas magic your way. And as always, home life is the best life. I'll see you guys in another upcoming video. Don't forget, you guys, you will be seeing a video at least every 3 days, but we're not through in the kitchen yet. Make sure you come back in a couple days to see what else we're doing here in the kitchen for this Gilded Frost Christmas 2025. Now, don't tune out just yet, because I'm still showing you some more of this Gilded Frost look, and this is the look with some of the lights off. You're going to be getting this whole Christmas kitchen tour after we finish all of the decorating here in my kitchen. And once again, thanks for watching. And make sure you do become a part of our family. And that is here on Her Home Is, Glam Queen DIY, Sora Sky Home, and also Mindfully Styled. Consider becoming a VIP member so you can get exclusive content. We'll see you in the next video.